Hi guys, so today this is our last day here in Baguio. So bumisita kami sa Tacloban. So let's go. Hi guys, so ngayon nandito tayo sa Mines View. Ayun, let's go down to the view deck. Samahan niyo ako. Hi guys, so ngayon nandito kami sa The Mansion and this is our third location for today. Siguro we will be trying to go to Diplomat Hotel and then we'll see after that kung may mapupunta pa and kung may open pa. So ito siya, The Mansion. So yeah, I'll update you guys when I can. So yeah. So ngayon sa fourth location. Update, we're at our fourth location and this is the Diplomat Hotel. Hey guys, update, we're here at Botanical Garden. Wow! Botanical Garden. And this is probably our last na ba natin do? Our last location, I mean. Last na ba this? So, I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah. Botanical Garden. Uwi na tayo. Update, nandito kami sa Good Taste. Gonna eat dinner na. And then hey guys, what is up? So this is our last hour. So kamusta ang trip you guys? Mga malalungkot. Pauwi na kami ng kanya-kanyang bahay. What's up guys? Dumating na yung bus namin. Wala kayo.
kagamitan sa Cotabato.
Pauwi na kami ng Cubao.